I'm Alan Hill with Capital City Nissan, and I'm here today with Randy Peebler. Randy is our service manager, and we're going to talk a little bit about questions that any of you may have, and if you have other questions that we don't answer today, feel free to send us a message on Facebook, and we'll get to your question next month. Now, Randy, on my car, I've had the same tires on it for about 4 years, but my tread still looks good. How do I know when to replace a tire?
Well, at Capital City Nissan, we take tire tread depth measurements with our courtesy multi-point inspections at every service interval. And when a tire reaches 230 seconds, it is deemed worn out. However, other factors can determine when to replace tires, including weather cracking, where the rubber naturally deteriorates, and that's usually due to sun exposure, chemicals, extreme temperatures, missed wheel alignment, balance, and broken belts due to road hazards like curbs, potholes, or accidents. The National Highway Traffic and Safety Administration recommends a minimum tire replacement time of 6 years, regardless of the use.
So just in 6 years' time, the weather and other things that may hit a curb or something like that would cause me to replace my tires even if I still have good tread.
Exactly.
They just dry out?
Yeah, rubber naturally deteriorates with just the air atmosphere and the climate conditions. Air just naturally deteriorates rubber.
Now, do some tires last longer than other tires, or that 6 years is a good standard for any tire?
And that's through the National Highway Traffic and Safety Administration puts that guideline out.
Okay. And so my tires are 4 years old. I'm probably still okay on mine. But
You
when
would
I
be.
need those tires, like I drive a Dodge, and we sell Nissans here. Could I get tires here for my Dodge Durango?
Yes, we have all makes and brands of tires and all sizes, and we can have an inventory that we can get the tires that same day.
Nice. Thank you, Randy.
You're welcome. Thanks for asking.
Everyone who knows what Nick Nissan knows goes to Capital City Nissan. Everyone who knows what Nick Nissan knows goes to Capital City Nissan.
CapNissan.com